Hello and welcome. You're watching dbmnTv. This is Monalisa Rumbai, bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe. Last Friday, March 31st, the Federation of Salesian Social Platforms, Pinardi, organized the annual meeting of educators, bringing together over 200 of them at the Salesian work in Atocha. The theme of the meeting was Education is a Thing of the Heart. Francisco Rodriguez, coordinator of the social platforms of the province, Spain, St. James, the Greater SSM, welcomed the participants with a speech of thanks and encouragement to continue the educational work in the social platforms. Numerous workshops and activities were then held throughout the day, including classes in crafts, batucada, self-defense, cooking, escape room, board games, traditional games, dance and yoga. At the end, participants paid tribute to the educators who have been working at the Pinardi platform for more than a decade. Finally, gifts were distributed and those present shared a concluding dinner in a moment of joy and conviviality. On Sunday, the 3rd of April, a group of young people from the Salesian Youth Movement SYM in Panama received their missionary dispatch 2023 to accompany 3 communities in Darren Province, El Real, Pinogana and Pire. The missionary posting was carried out by Father Carlos Villanova, SDB, pastor of the Don Bosco Basilica, who invited the young people to live the missionary experience as a call to service, following the example of Mary, who after the Annunciation did not stay put, but went running to take care of her cousin Elizabeth. Last March 24th to 26th, 1,069 children and youth accompanied by their animators met to take part in the Acampada Amigos, held simultaneously in the Salesian homes of Elche and El Campello. The youngsters spent 2 days totally immersing themselves in the life of Don Bosco, Saint Dominic Savio, Blessed Laura Vicuña and Don Bosco's young pupil Francisco Bisuco. It was an opportunity to reflect on the lives and experiences of these figures, but also to share playful and prayerful moments. Both in Elche and El Campello, in fact, animators organized games and guided tours. The event was also attended by the directors of the 2 host Salesian presences, Father Miguel Gambin and Father Antonio Zaragoza, and the provincial delegate for youth ministry of the SMX province, Father Jordi Lexa. In the month of March, Italy and the whole world witnessed one of the most serious tragedies of the sea, the shipwreck of Cutro, which caused the death of many people, including dozens of minors. The media, including the Catholic ones, have taken up and commented on this sad episode, focusing on pain and suffering and wondering how to stimulate compassion, but also the adoption of concrete actions. The third article of series conceived and created by Father Makej Makua, SDB, member of the social communication sector, is also dedicated to communication relating to migratory processes and how to build the very future of the media with migrants and refugees. The media underlines Father Makua can increasingly become a platform for self-expression as well as for giving shape to a positive image of migrants and refugees that contrasts stereotypes, discrimination and human rights violations. Young people who attend the programs of Don Bosco Navajivan in Hyderabad, India have now access to adequate nutritional support thanks to the funding of Salesian Missions, the Salesian Mission Office based in New Rochelle, United States. The funding provided rice-based meals to 191 young people, including street children, orphans, and poor and marginalized children abandoned by parents and relatives. These minors receive the services provided at the Don Bosco Navajivan. Of these young people, most attend regular schools and colleges, and about 20 take vocational training courses to learn trades such as tailoring, carpentry, and welding. In addition to having 2 meals in the Salesian Center, the young people can take home the lunch prepared by the school staff. The boys are provided with a food kit which includes lemon rice, tomato rice, vegetable biryani and pudina rice, mint leaves. The young people and staff are satisfied with the quality of the food and enjoy the meal. We are grateful to our donors who have provided their support to guarantee the young people of Don Bosco Navajivan access to adequate nutrition, said Father Timothy Plock, as interim director of Salesian Missions. The goal is always to reunite these minors with their families or other relatives where it is safe to do so. Having the right nutrition allows these young people to participate fully in school and in counseling and rehabilitation programs which guarantee them a better life. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.